Good evening. Welcome to the KVS Engineering Mechanics channel. In this video session, I would like to speak something about machine tools. Okay, we have different types of machine tools. Lathe, shaper, milling, MESCHIN machine, drilling machine, broaching, broaching machine, and then these are all simple machine tools. And as the technology advances, we have capstan lathe, turret lathe, computer, numerically controlled machines, or example CNC machines. And the CNC machines can be of lathe, shaper, milling machine, drilling machine, or any other simple machines. And here we also have slaughter. Now, the main objective of these machine tools is to work on a metal, which is in the form of raw metal, raw material, and ends with a finished product. And one more machine here is, you can say, boring grinder. And boring machine is also there. Boring machine. Now, that means the main objective is to work on a metal. That means we should have a tool. We should have a tool. Now, this tool is applying force on that metal, which can be in the form of ferrous, iron, steel, aluminium, something like that. And this is a tool, carbide tool, or there are different types of tools are there. Now this tool is coming to the metal, and it is removing the material from metal, so that the finished product will be coming. So before coming to finished product, the surface will be a rough surface because of cutting the material. It should be properly grinded in grinder machine. So all these machine tools will be having a holding device for tool. Holding device for tool. And a holding mechanism of metal. or the material, metal or material. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to say is that the entire machine tools will work on jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures. Jig is a holding device which is holding the raw material or the workpiece, or this is called workpiece. Is holding the workpiece and guiding. Jig is a device. Jig is a holder which is holding the tool and guiding the tool. Holding the tool and guiding the tool to remove the material. That is called jig. And fixture is a device, or a fixture is a holding device which is holding the metal or the workpiece and allowing the jig to work on the workpiece, or jig which is holding the tool on the workpiece. So with these two holding devices, we can design all this type of machine tools. So I would like to discuss about this jigs and fixtures of lathe, jigs and fixtures of shaper, jigs and fixtures of milling machine, jigs and fixtures of grinder, jigs and fixtures of drilling machine, jigs and fixtures of boring machine, jigs and fixtures of broaching machine, and jigs and fixtures of capstan lathe, jigs and fixtures of turret lathe in separate video sessions. And what is this? In one video session, you can completely think about CNC machines. What is CNC machine and how we are getting the work output from CNC. So, but before concluding this video session, these lathe machines will manufacture cylindrical parts. That means shafts. Shafts are easily manufactured, and screws, things like that. Shafts, screws, and cylindrical parts. Shaper is going to make a slot on a plane surface of raw material. That means there is a rectangular block is like this. On this rectangular block, you want to make a slot like this. You want to make a slot like this. So the shaper is trying to remove the material on the slot. That is called shaper and slaughter. Slaughter is also the same purpose. Now the milling machine is also a machine tool which does the same activity what shaper will do. The shaper will be removing with force, with the impact on the material, and the milling machine is slowly removing the material by a by a gear cutter, slowly and removing the whole material. So that's the difference between the shaper and milling machine. Now, what is this grinding machine? That means you have completed several. You have got a finished product. You have completed a shaft, staple shaft. Okay, and the staple shaft is having some dimensions. So it's having rough surface. Now we want to remove this rough surface. So we have to use grinders to remove the roughness on the surface of the finished product. And then boring machine. Now in the boring machine, you want to make and so already made some hole on the part. You want to enlarge this hole. You want to enlarge this hole so that boring machines will do enlargement of holes on the thing. Broaching machine is this particular grinders will be of cylindrical nature, and broaching machine is also removing the finished products for such type of shaper and milling products. Now, the capsule and turret lathes. Now, these capsule and turret lathes are automatic machine tools. Now, what is this automatic machine tools? Now, these automatic machine tools, I want to do several operations on that particular workpiece. Okay. By one tool, we will do one operation for say some 10 minutes. We rotate a tool and new tool will come into the place and do that another operation. And after another tool will be, that turret will be rotated and it will do another operation. So automatically that means you are not unloading the tool and you are not trying to put another tool on the simple lathe or something like that, and you are trying to have more time. But automatically this tool holder will be having a position of turret. It will rotate on the especially in the lathe machines, and each different number of tools will be on that. So by rotating the turret, a new tool will be coming into the workpiece and it will remove the material. So this is about the capsule and turret lathe. Okay, and computer numerically controlled machines, CNC. Okay, CNC. Okay, numerically controlled machines. Okay, this numerically controlled machines, because everything is working based upon the motors. The motors are doing the entire work of the machine tools. Now, what is the CNC is trying to do is, it is trying to control the motor operations by computer program and giving instruction to the motors of this machine tool, which is in the tool holder, and it is in the they are trying to instruct the jig and fixtures by the separate motors by the computer machine. So this is all about machine tools. So this is what I would like to speak something about machine tools. So thank you for watching the video.